The family of a slain couple in Westmoreland are refuting suggestions that lottery scamming is behind the deadly attack. 8 people were shot in the incident. Herman Green has our story.
The party in Springfield, Westmoreland Sunday evening came to an abrupt and terrifying end minutes before 9 o'clock.
It's just sad. Just in my house, because I don't really go party, you know. I'm in my house and here shot them.
The police say a permit was not given for the event, but the illegal party was in full swing when men armed with guns opened fire at the bar area. 8 people were shot. Among them, the organizers, 31-year-old Marshall Gale, otherwise called Cheestrix, and his common-law partner, Sharice Murray. They both succumbed to their injuries. The cops say, based on investigations, the shooting may be due to misfortunes from lottery scamming activities, and the deceased couple seem to have been the target. They say illegal parties continue to create opportunities for gangs and criminals to target their rivals. However, Mr. Gale's relatives say the get-together was a fundraiser for the family.
They have young people in our area say they put on a party, they try this. So it come to his time, we say he's going to try his own little thing. And if he knows that we all get together to help him, support him.
They say the killers on Sunday went directly to the victims for the money.
Enter the bar, hit his girlfriend, she wife, you have to say, just hit her and grab that bag from the party, that money bag. One whole of that, and one is scaring everybody by shot somebody else shot in cheese chip. Meanwhile, other one have to get them scared in around to get them evacuate. You have other people who pick up other sherry shot differently from those head and belly wound from the 2 convict directly to the party.
Western Westmoreland Member of Parliament Moreland Wilson says this kind of violence is unusual for the traditional farming community. However, he did not rule out either of the differing views.
I haven't been briefed by the police as yet, so I cannot speak specifically to the circumstances or the details. A lot of persons may have ventured into bar, into entertainment as a means of survival. So what I gather that happened was that these individuals or the deceased was having an event, as an income generating activity to basically make some money. And this happened, this tragic event happened.
The police say their investigations are ongoing and so would not comment further for now. Herman Green, TVJ News.